Walada kaseng Congress kalai dek resolution ban weng no ulam phang ki ying dor bar ba Metbah ling do hindu nongilam kalyang persha Dr. Mukul sama ulong bakim dani ei pat ka persha shimedi UMLA ka mairang Habai krim beginong thok bor din balawai ka dor bar ka shiphotrek unai lor arja arpoi u Dr. Mukul ulong bakanig resolution ka na ka benta ka jingbha jong ka jilla hi borok wei ulong bakum kilyang persha ka de ka kamram jong ki banwan ra ekanig resolution Halor ki daw, bakila dawa banweng no yu lampang, u Dr. Sangma shimna tre ban yathu, hindi ulong bana kalyang persya kan sa pensya ya barok kita khot kayeng dorbar, hakas ngi ban yakren yakanik resolution.
Obviously, this resolution for removal of the Honorable Speaker from the office of the Speaker is tabled by the opposition. Now, somehow the opposition is represented by members belonging to only one political party. Now, irrespective of who has tabled this resolution, when we discuss in the August House, as we make the submission, drawing the attention of the August House, or in other words, drawing the attention of each member of this August House, that time it will be much more elaborative, and therefore, it is not appropriate for me to spell out the reasons and the felt I must say, the perceived justification which is required to be shared now, the justification with which we will be moving this resolution. Since we are already in session, today is the first day, so we will submit it before the August House and we will draw the attention of the distinguished members of this August House. In other words, the attention of the whole August House, including the attention of the Honorable Speaker himself. And therefore, it is nothing personal, but it is something for the larger good, larger interest of the people, larger interest of the state. Therefore, it's as a responsible opposition, we have felt it necessary and duty-bound to move this resolution.